Hello viewers, this is Not Too Fast here. In today's video I'll be reviewing this JFEGWO 8250 portable jump starter. Now besides being a jump starter, it also has a built-in tire inflator, and you can use it as a power bank to charge your portable devices. These type of all-in-one devices are great to have in your vehicle. I'll go over all the features in this video, so let's get started. Let me first show you the unboxing of this JFEGWO 8250 jump starter. The jump starter comes in this very nice carrying case. User manual. Right here is the 8250 amp jump starter. It comes with a charger, cigarette lighter power socket, jump starter cable, USB-C charging cable, air hose for the tire inflator. Here's a look at everything you get with this unit. Let me go over the features of this jump starter. Now inside this unit there is a 32,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery, and that's what powers this entire unit. This jump starter has a starting output power of 8,250 amps, and it can jump start a 14-liter gasoline engine or a 12-liter diesel engine. Now besides being able to jump start a car, you can also use this as a power bank to charge portable USB devices. At the top here is a large LCD display. Over here is a power button, mode button, flashlight button, up and down select, and a force start button. I'll talk more about that later on. Over here on the left side, behind this cover, this is where you connect the jumper cable. Next to is a ventilation for the air compressor. On this side, behind this cover, you have a USB-A output. This output's 5 volt at 2.4 amp. You can use this to charge your USB devices. Next to it is a USB-C input-output port. It's a power delivery port at 65 watt. So you can use this charge port to quickly charge your devices. Now if you charge the internal battery using a power delivery 65 watt USB-C charger, even if the internal battery is at 0%, you can quickly charge this in 4 minutes and be able to jump start a vehicle. Now over here is another USB-C output port. This one's a quick charge 3.0 charge port. And next to it there's a 12 volt 10 amp output. Here you can plug in the cigarette lighter power socket and use this power bank to power your 12 volt devices. Now over here on the left side there's a flashlight. At the bottom there are rubber feet. So using the handle at the top, you actually stand this upright like this. To turn on the unit, press and hold the power button. The LCD display will illuminate. At the top it will show you the charge level of the internal battery. So right now the battery is 96% charged. Below that there's the input and output power measurement. Right now I'm going to plug in the USB charger. Now when you first get this, make sure you charge the internal battery up to 100% before the first use. On the display it tells you this is fast charging, and also the input power is 22 watt. When you first power this on, this is ready for jump starting a vehicle. Right here is the jumper cable. You have the 2 alligator clamps, positive and negative. Connect this end to the jump starter. Now this connector is keyed, so you can only insert it one way. And looking at the size of this wire, this is an 8 gauge wire. This unit has many safety features built in, so it's very safe and easy to use this to jump start your vehicle. And the list of safety features are overcurrent protection, overcharge protection, overload protection, reverse polarity protection, reverse charge protection, short circuit protection, over voltage protection, low temperature protection, and high temperature protection. Now if you ever get into a situation where your car battery is so drained and low in voltage, it's possible that there's not enough voltage from the battery to initiate this jump starter. And the reason is because with all the built-in safety features, it does need to see the presence of a car battery before it will output onto a jumper cable. If you run into that situation, you are still able to force a jump start by using this force start button right here. So I'm going to press and hold this for a few seconds. And you'll see the force start is now on. Also this indicator is on, telling you do not cause any short circuit, because with the force start mode, this jump starter is now outputting 12 volt high current onto the jumper cable without any protection circuit. So if you accidentally short circuit these 2 clamps or connect this with reverse polarity, it will damage the internal battery of this jump starter. But the benefit of having a force start mode is you can jump start a completely dead car battery. If you want to use a tire inflator function, press the mode button right here. Now switch over to a tire inflator function. At the top, it will show you the pressure of the tire once you connect it, and at the bottom, it will show you the target tire pressure. Now, one very nice feature on this unit is you can actually preset several different target air pressure. So for example, right now this symbol represents inflatables, and it's set to 36 psi. If I press the mode button, it'll toggle over to car, and with this target value, I can change it. Press the mode button again. This is for motorcycle. Next one, this is for bicycle. Once more, this is for your soccer ball or basketball. Now we're back to inflatables. And once you preset these different settings, it makes it very easy to use. Right here is the air hose, and it comes with different attachments. So if you want to use this to inflate a ball, right here is this attachment here. You also have other attachments for inflatables. And this metal one on its own is for your car tire. And to connect this air hose to the inflator, on the back, you have this air hose. Screw this in onto the air hose. To turn on the air compressor, press the power button. And to give you an idea how fast this tire inflator will work, it can inflate a tire from 28 psi to 36 psi in about 1 minute. Whereas many other portable tire inflators on the market will take several minutes, so this is a lot faster. If you want to use the flashlight function that's on here, what you want to do is press this flashlight button right here. Right now there's flashlight. Press it again. There's a strobe. Press it once more. There's SOS. Now it's off. Now with the air hose that's attached to this device, you can actually screw this directly onto a tire. But if you look at this, it's quite short. So if you don't have enough length and you want to extend it, that's when you can attach this air hose attachment right here. And now you can connect this to your tire. The display will show you the current tire pressure of the tire, and it's 32.5 psi. By the way, if you want to change the unit of measure, press and hold the mode button. It'll toggle over to the next measurement. Before I start the air compressor, I'm going to change the mode to car, right here. And my target air pressure is 36 psi. To start the air compressor, press the power button right here. As you saw, it stopped once it reached 36 psi. So you don't have to worry about the tire being overinflated. And when you're done, remove the air hose. Also, don't forget, with the built-in flashlight, if you're doing this at night, you can turn on the flashlight and it'll help illuminate the area you're working in. If you're using this to jumpstart your vehicle, you'll need to connect the negative clamp to the negative terminal of the battery and the positive clamp to the positive terminal of the battery. Now keep in mind, the red lead or the positive lead is longer than the negative lead. So when you're doing this, place the unit close enough to the battery so both clamps can reach. When you're connecting this, you don't have to worry about which clamp to connect first. You can connect the negative first or the positive first. Now once it's connected, on the display you see it's 12 volt ready, so you can get into your car and start it up. Once it's started, you can disconnect the clamp. And this is how you go about jump starting your vehicle using this device. You can also use this as a power bank to charge your mobile device. Here it says it's super fast charging. Also on the display, it tells you it's outputting 20 watt. Overall, I think this is a very good portable jump starter. It's packed with a lot of great features, including the tire inflator. I also like the large LCD display showing you which mode you're in, and it can intelligently tell you when you're ready to jump start your vehicle or inflate your tire. Now, if you're interested in getting something like this for your vehicle, I'll include the link below so you can check it out. As always, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. To support this channel, remember to click on thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified of new videos.